Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make PDF file in PC. Now I'm showing a very simple method. This method no need to any software. It's totally free and safe. First of all, open Chrome browser and go to search option. Type here to I love PDF. Select the first option and now shown here more option: merge PDF, slip, compress, PDF to alt. This site provide two more option, and here you can easily create or make your PDF file or so. Now I'm showing how to make PDF like JPG to PDF. Select JPG image. Tap on to convert to PDF and this is ready for download. Finally click on to download. Okay, so that's how you can easily make PDF file on PC.